Designing for DTF just changed big time. Most people spend hours creating a design, tweaking, adjusting, starting over, and still aren't happy with the result. But what if all you had to do was type a few words? That's exactly what we tested. We used ChatGPT to turn a simple text into a hyper-real fire logo, automatically. No Illustrator, no Photoshop, no design experience required. And we didn't stop at just generating the artwork. We're actually going to be showing you how to make it fully DTF print ready, print the transfer, and press it onto a real shirt, start to finish. So you could just see how easy it is to turn an idea into a professional design in minutes. If you've ever struggled with design, this is going to change everything. Let's make something awesome. All right, guys, we are here on ChatGPT. I'm gonna show you how easy this is. First, you're gonna go to the prompt, which is on our website, look for prompt fire, and then copy the prompt, and then go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt in. Where it says enter text here, you're going to enter whatever text you wanna enter. This one is gonna be fire because it's a fire effect, so why not? We're gonna create the image and then enter. All right, let's take a look. Wow, okay, this looks amazing, guys. It looks really great, but I gotta be honest with you, I don't think this is DTF printable, especially because it has a black background. So what do? Easy, download this, save it, and then you're gonna go to...
Hey superstars, most AI designs look great on screen, but terrible on a shirt. That's because nobody's building prompts specifically for DTF printing. That's exactly what this guide fixes. 20 prompts engineered from the ground up for fabric, not just social media. So if you're serious about your prints, the link is in the description below. Now back to your video.
Our website, you're gonna go to DTF Gang Sheet Builder, build your own gang sheet, start a brand new one, upload your image, and just like that, we're gonna pop it in there. Right now, it's at 5-inch width. So even if we brought it up to the size that would look good on a shirt, it's not coming out with the greatest quality. Right now I have a black line, which means minimal resolution. It's like a 72 DPI. That's not gonna work out. So what do? Edit the image. First things first is knocking out that color. So let's click on the color, bring the tolerance all the way high, and then let's remove that color. Wow, that did it really quick. We're gonna push apply. All right, and now we still have that black line around, so we're gonna edit image again, and then upscale the quality. This is just gonna make it high resolution, 300 DPI, and making it look really, really good, actually. After that, we're gonna push apply. Wow, all right. Now we have a green line. That means 300 DPI. It looks good, looks great. Let's turn this to the side and then use up all this remaining space. Awesome. All right, it looks good. Let's get this printed. All right, when we get this printed, we'll put this on a shirt. Want professional grade designs without the steep learning curve? That's where Kittl comes in. It's the ultimate shortcut for designing and editing artwork in one place. Best of all, you can get 25% off of any plan when you use my link in the description. Stop searching for the next move and go build something with Kittl. The print is ready. Let's zoom in on the details.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, let's take a closer look here. Look at those edges. I gotta be honest with you, this came out so well. This came out so well. I love the fire effect up on the top. Everything looks clean. Let's take a closer look on the back. Look at those edges, guys. Yeah, you can't get any cleaner than that. That looks amazing. All right, well, I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Let's get to it. We're starting off with a black Smart Blank Style 402. It has that premium feel that pairs perfectly with this clean DTF transfer. I like using this tee because it holds its shape, it keeps its deep color, and captures fine detail very well. Basically the perfect canvas for any high quality print. If you guys want to check them out, the link is in the description below. Next, we're actually firing up the Fever 15x15 heat press. This machine has been a total workhorse for us, consistent, reliable, and behind of a lot of best press jobs. All right, let's get started. For our heat press settings, we're doing 10-second interval press time with 300 degrees with heavy pressure, guys. The reason why we're doing 10 seconds and not 7 seconds is because this heat press specifically only does 5-second intervals. So 10 seconds is gonna do the job. All right, so I'm gonna get started here, guys. I already have my laser set up so we could perfectly align this. I'm just gonna try to evenly align my shirt here. Just making sure all the edges are completely straight. Okay. All right, and now what we're gonna do is actually make a little crease right here on the middle point. I'm gonna do both ends so we can make sure that this is completely straight for us, okay guys? All right, that looks aligned. Now we are ready to heat press, okay guys? So like I said, usually we would wait a good 15 seconds just so it could adhere properly, especially if it has little smaller details. But again, I've always said this, you can just peel straight off. Already that's looking phenomenal. I am going to flip this around and actually press this one more time. We always do second presses just to make sure it adheres to the shirt perfectly. Wow. All right. The steam made it look like it was actually fully fire. All right, well, let's take a closer look at this. All right, guys, let's take a closer look at this. I gotta be honest with you, this came out a lot better than I expected. It looks amazing. I love the knockouts within the actual fire. It complements the shirt completely. If we did this on a white shirt, I'm gonna be honest with you, I would have never knocked those things out. But it looks good, guys. It looks great, honestly. Well, I gotta say, even just the edges too as well, super fine. Feels good, doesn't feel hot, so but I think we did great, guys, seriously. And just like that, we turned simple text into a realistic fire design using ChatGPT. From blank tee to finished print, that's the full build. If you guys learned something new or felt inspired, drop a like, comment if this helped you at all, and subscribe for more DTF tips and creative breakdowns.